गॉड ने हमें गिफ्ट दिया है, मदर अर्थ ने जो हमें दिया है, that is known as natural resources. Then from nature itself we are getting it is known as natural resources. Okay, this much is clear to you? Yes, students? Yes or no? Okay. Okay. How, sir? I have unmuted you. Yes, Vidhi. I can't hear you. Hello. Yes. Yes, beta. What do you observe in this picture? In the first row, what do you see?
Agriculture, fishing, collection of honey, drawing water.
Okay. Agriculture for farmer. What farmers are doing?
They are farming.
Okay. In the next, yes, Ganesh का बेटा रुको ना, आपका मैं डाउट क्लियर करके देती हूँ. Don't worry about the doubts. I will clear it. Yeah. In the second picture, what do you observe?
A man is fishing.
Okay. And in the third picture?
Collection of honey.
Okay. And in the third picture?
One man is drawing water from the well.
Yes, very good. Now, mute yourself, beta.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the first picture, we can see in the farm, the farmer is doing the plugging activities in the field. Okay. And in the second picture, we can see how the fisherman used to catch the fish with the help of net. And we can also see sometimes in the coastal area na, you can see the huge amount of salt is there. Yes or no? In the ocean side, we can see huge amount of salt produced. Okay. And in the third picture, you can see collection of honey. Here, it is very, very difficult task to collect the honey. Okay. Here, you can see in other area, you can see anywhere that you have seen how the honey is collected. I have seen it is very difficult to collect the collect the honey from the honeybee comb. Okay, we have to put this much of gloves because the honeybee used to cut. Okay, okay. So yeah, honeybee used to make the nectars. Okay, we can also produce the honeybee artificially with the help of nectars. Okay, it is very difficult to collect the honey from the nectar. Okay, now the fourth one is drawing water. See, you can see in the villages, the people are using to drink the water from the well or to do other activities like for the drinking of water for animals. They are using this water. Okay, now uh, in the second row, first one is gathering wood, then mining, gathering wood. You know, na? Yeah, people are using the wood for in the previous like decades or in the previously what happens, you know, man uses जब भी LPG वगैरह नहीं आया था, but the man are using woods for making food and all. Okay, nowadays for other purposes also wood is used for making furniture and all. And then mining, you know, certain minerals and non-metallic minerals we are getting from mining. Okay, now a mason at work. Okay, in this picture you can see how the man is doing work in their house by constructing the house. Okay, now fourth one is extraction of salt. I have said you previously in the fishing point that we are getting salt from the sea. Okay, now collection of rubber rubber later latex. Okay, here you can see naturally we are getting rubber also. Gathering of racing from trees, we are getting the resins from tree. Okay, we can also see the windmill. Okay, and transportation by a pack animal. You can see the ass, which is used for taking the goods from one place to another. Okay, here this is the natural resources which we will learn today. Okay, first one is plant, which is naturally we are using it. Okay, आप लोगों के जो फ्लैट्स है उसके साइड में गैलरी होगी ना, तो आपकी मम्मी या आपने तो प्लांट किया होगा ना गमले में, लाइक ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स एंड ऑल. Yes or no? Yes. So we all love the nature, we all love the greenery around us. Okay. Now second one, land. Land which we are using. Yes. Land which we are using in our day-to-day life. That is for we are using the land for different purposes. Can you give some example of land which we are using? Put it in chat box. Write in chat box if you know. Some example, yes, agriculture, very good. School, very good. Yes, school, very good. For making house, excellent answer. Okay, water. Okay, hospitals. Okay, we are using, yes. Yes, all have given very right answer. Okay, we are using this lands for different purposes. For agricultures, we are using some commercial. For business purposes, we are using the land for, like we can say, to construct a building, to construct hospital, to construct a like for different purposes. Okay. Now third point, minerals, we are using these minerals for different purposes. We are getting minerals from rock, as we have learned in the previous chapter, that is rocks and its types. We are getting these minerals from rocks. Okay, iron, bauxites, then you can say other minerals also we are finding in the rocks. And in the second row, first one is animals. This is naturally we are find the animals now. Yes or no? Okay. You can see in the picture. Yeah. You can see in the picture lion, then elephant, then other animals are sitting or they are walking. Okay. In the next picture, that is soil. Do you know how the soil is make? We are getting soil very easily, but do you know? Yes. Do you know how the soil preparation time it takes to make a soil? Don't know, na? It takes a, see here, just a minute. See, here you can see, I have drawn a line. This soil is 2.5 centimeter. Okay, this soil is 2.5 centimeter. ये जो बनने के लिए 2.5 सेंटीमीटर्स कितना टाइम लगता है पता है? Thousands of years. Thousands of years. हाँ, thousands of years लगते हैं बनने के लिए. Okay. You can see the layer of the soil. In the first layer, we can see rock, then afterward soil, then afterward some minerals, then afterward some soil, then greenery we can see. So gradually what happens, you know, धीरे 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 ये लेयर बढ़ती जाती है. Okay. Okay, got it, beta? Okay, now water. We are using water in our day-to-day life. Okay, for drinking, for washing clothes, for variety of things we are using the waters. Okay. For example, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, you know? हम लोग एक गिलास पानी लेंगे ना, तो आधा पीते और आधा फेंक देते हैं. Yes or no? Yes or no? We are wasting the water, but we should use the water very wisely. We should not waste it. Okay. Now, for example, we can take that we are using the water for bath. एक बाल्टी भर के रखेंगे पानी का, then खत्म हो जाएगा. गरम गरम पानी बड़ा अच्छा लगता है ना नहाने के लिए. फिर बाल्टी खत्म हो जाएगी, फिर भी सब कुछ हो जाएगा, नहा भी लेंगे. अरे थोड़ा सा एक डब्बा और डाल देता हूँ, बहुत गर्म, बहुत ठंडी लग रहा है, बहुत ठंडी है ना. Yes na? We are wasting the water, and we are also wasting the water during the brushing of teeth. कोई बच्चे लोग what they are doing, you know, they are putting on the tap and doing brushing complete होने तक they used to waste water. They used to keep the tap open only. Okay. So we should not waste the water. Okay, we will not get the water. It is very, we should use the water very wisely. Okay. Now, air. We are getting air everywhere. Na? You can see the air. You can see the air. No, no. We can feel it. But we can feel the air. Okay. Okay. These are the natural resources, that is plants, lands, minerals, animals, soil, water, air. Yeah. These all are natural uses, natural resources. We should use these natural resources very wisely. We should not destroy them. Okay. Okay. Yes. Someone say, those who are raising their hand now, lower their hand, please. Savi Mankar. Savi Mankar, beta.
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Beta, observe this picture and say me, what do you see?
Teacher, there are fans.
Fan. There are fan. Yes, beta. Savi.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay, mute yourself, beta. Akansha.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, beta. What do you observe in this